Today, we're cooking an entire Friendsgiving feast in the Ooni Koda 2 Max. And it's raining outside. But that's not going to stop us. Keep watching to see if we nail it or fail it, right here in the Backyard Pizza Lab. We're cooking for 20, and we're using every kitchen tool under the sun. Cast iron pans, Detroit-style pans, sheet trays, and of course, the new dual-zone Koda 2 Max. Apps are going to be at 3, mains at 4, and everything that fits is going to get a hit of flame from the Ooni today. We're starting with the turkey. We have a lovely 20-pound bird, dry brined the night before and spatchcocked in the morning. Slap some herb butter all over and under the skin, season it up, and toss it into the Max around 475. Or try to. Turns out, one 20-pound turkey is just about the full extent of what you can fit in this bad boy. But getting creative, we made it work. Split that spatchcocked bird in two, and we'll just have to keep rotating those trays for even heat. All right, so we're getting good browning on the skin, nice and crispy, maybe a little too crispy for some people. We still have about 30 minutes left until the cook's done, so I'm gonna flip these turkeys, which the internet tells me not to do, to see if I can save them. 1, 2, 3, oh God, oh geez. That's what's that. Suck it, internet. And back in the oven they go to finish off. The dual burners and digital temperature hub on the Max made this bake easy peasy. Just rotate the pan every so often, keep an eye on the color, and let that temp climb to about 160 in the breast. Once it's done, we pull it and let it rest. That gives us plenty of time to knock out the sides. While the birds rest, let's knock out the sides. First in goes the cornbread. We're using Ooni's large Detroit-style pizza pan for this bake. We'll keep that over on one side of the oven and prep our veggies to get roasted off. We got Brussels and carrots today. Toss them with oil, salt, pepper, and then put them straight on the stone next to the flame. The huge cooking area on the Koda 2 Max gives me plenty of room to maneuver both the cornbread and the Brussels sprouts at the same time. While the proximity of the flame means these veggies roast way faster than an indoor oven. We'll let the cornbread go till it's golden on top, and then toss in our carrots to get roasted off. Mix them in with the Brussels, plate them up, and boom, veggies and cornbread already done. Next up, we're making some garlic parm knots using Poco Barrow's frozen New York-style dough. Quick to shape, quicker to bake, and when doused with garlic herb butter, for sure a crowd favorite. And finally, we blasted our dessert, the apple crumble, into the Max for a quick caramelized finish and a crisp topping that only high heat can give. The Max was also perfect for heating our other sides right before service, the mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, and lobster mac and cheese. Once it was all ready, it's time for the feast. We carved our turkey, laid the sides out, and filled up the table fast. It's almost like the Koda 2 Max was built for Thanksgiving. High heat, fast cooking, and big flavor. Built for a crowd. The friends lined up, the plates piled up, and we ate everything as the rain came down outside. Good food, good people, and an oven that handled everything we threw at it. And because this is Backyard Pizza Lab, you know what's going to happen next. All these leftovers, turkey, stuffing, lobster mac. Well, we made them into one of the most ridiculous pizzas I've ever built. One for the books, and for next time. Be sure to hit subscribe and come back for the leftover monstrosity. Every bake's a new experiment, and we're just getting started.